Current assets and current liabilities both reside on the balance sheet. Both have the same characteristic in that they're both expected to have a life of less than 1 year, hence they're given the name current. Let's look into current assets first. Well, first of all, as it's an asset, that means it will provide future benefit to a business. Examples include cash and cash equivalents, short-term investments, accounts receivable, prepaid items, and inventory. All of them are assets that you own that will give you future benefit. If you've prepaid for something, that means you're going to get that something in the future. Accounts receivable means you're going to receive something from your customers. Let's now look at current liabilities. Because it's a liability, that means it's a future obligation of the business. Examples include short-term debt, accounts payable, accrued expenses, dividends payable, and taxes payable.